Hi friends, and welcome to 714 Joy Learn It Together. We are going to be learning how to make pasta today. So I have in front of me a pot, some pasta which I've already measured out using this measuring cup to get 2/3 cups, and then a strainer. The first step you're going to do is fill up your pot with water about halfway. We're now going to set our pot of water on the stove and turn it up from medium to high heat and wait for it to boil. Okay friends, our water is now boiling, which means it has bubbles coming up and there's steam coming off of the water. So now that we have that, we're going to take our dry pasta and we're going to pour it in. And that will take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. So we want to keep an eye on it while we're cooking it, and then when it's been about 8 minutes, we'll come back and check on it. Okay, now that we've waited about 8 minutes, we can take it off. I put a wooden spoon over the pot so that it won't boil over. So we're going to turn off the water, take the spoon off, and carry it over to the sink. In the sink, I'm going to put our strainer, and then we're going to carefully pour the pasta and the water into the sink. Then you can kind of shake it out, and there you have some cooked pasta. Okay, now that we have our pasta strained, we can go ahead and pour it into a bowl. And then you can top it with whatever you'd like, butter, sauce, or maybe some veggies. Thank you so much for watching.